Good day, Doc Judy. My name is Julius Duterte Dicen. This video is intended for my subject course, Home Economics Literacy. So for today's video, let us identify the different parts of the mini portable electric sewing machine. So let's begin. So now let us identify the parts of the mini portable electric sewing machine. So first one is the needle. This is the needle. Bobbin compartment, that's open. This is the bobbin compartment. And the next one is the thread spindle. This is the thread spindle. The next one is the bobbin spindle. This is the bobbin spindle. Tension adjusting screw. This is the tension adjusting screw. Take up lever. And this is the speed button. And turn on, turn off switch. Then next one is the foot pedal jack. Next one is DC jack 6V. And the last one is this is the hand wheel. This is the hand wheel. So that is the parts of the mini portable electric sewing machine. So thank you for watching and goodbye.